Try 5 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a sharp looking one too, 1955 Chevrolet 210 Post. Crate 350 underneath the hood. Nicely equipped, automatic with overdrive trans, 700 R4. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Has had a front disc brake conversion. There's actually a 3-ring binder that will go along with this that has a lot of the information on what was used in the build as far as manuals, receipts, list, notes, that type of thing. Take a look at the chrome in the front bumper, grille, headlight surrounds, the chrome and bright work looking good up front on this one. You can see bright red. Paint shows well, red on red with red interior. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on chrome US Mags wheels, General radial tires. You can see up and down this passenger side, those body panels nice and straight. Paint put on very evenly and smooth. Really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Look at how even that door and fender seam is. Same back here. Bright work trim pieces, also in great shape. You can see side glass does have a light tint to it, so you're aware of that. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. A little more information on this car, 355 rear end with positive traction. It does have a torque converter lockup for that overdrive transmission. Switches in the glove box. You'll see it in the still pictures if you take a peek at the still pictures. Cruise control, and it works. VDO gauges. Underneath the hood, Pertronix ignition, and it also has an Edelbrock 600 CFM carb on there. Tubular A-arms, dual exhaust with headers, and you'll also see a list of items used in the build on this car in the still pictures. I'm just highlighting some of them anyway. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, incorporated third brake light into the deck lid. As you can see, that dual exhaust. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all those still pics. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this. There is a battery cutoff switch in the trunk. It's on the passenger side. Car's been dyno matted throughout. It does have a minor valve cover, gasket seep, and pinion seal weep. So pretty minor there. Brakes 85% in the front, 75% in the rear. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Try 5s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Look at that seam from fender to door, and how nice and even it is. You don't see that on these builds all the time. It's a nice looking car. And again, paint put on beautifully. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. I have a feeling this one brings home some trophies. All right, bucket seats. Look like they're out of a Sebring. Again, red, unred. I did it. Tilt column, custom center console, shifter on the column. Beautiful dash in this one. As you can see, the billet, it's got one piece. It actually has seams, I guess. It won't be one piece all the way across, but it fits beautifully. Pioneer aftermarket stereo system, that is working. Speakers down in the kick panels. And then there is also some on the rear deck. 6x9s aspired up. Again, crate 350. Odometer reads 16,450. That may be since the build. Cannot confirm or deny. Gauges. Looks like oil pressure, battery, fuel, and temp. That was a cold start. Won't expect temp to be up. Stereo does work, like I said. Crate 350. Oh, that door closes. Let's listen. Got a little rumble on this one. Sounding good. All right, let me slip up. I wonder if I can get this hood one-handed. See what I can do. There we go. All right, underside of the hood. Aluminum radiator. That was the hood, by the way, just settling a little bit. Power brakes, power steering, AC, a lot of polished dress up underneath the hood of this one. There's that Holley 4-barrel. Good looking engine bay too, and a smooth runner. All right, check out the still pictures of the car and then the information within those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Number to call 507-386-1726. It's a 1955 Chevrolet 210 Post. Nicely done. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1955 Chevrolet 210. Beautiful red on red. Very nice dash, steering wheel, carpeting, seats, all well done. They even threw the Pioneer radio lighting up red. That does work as it should. Our oil pressure gauge showing 40 psi. Speedometer is working, showing 50 miles an hour right now. Battery's charging over 13 volts. Our fuel gauge is showing half a tank, and the temperature is approximately 180 degrees. The wipers work on this car. The AC is blowing cold. Such a nice interior. Red, just the perfect shade. This is a little brighter. Custom center console with cup holder, storage. In the glove box, there is a adjustable torque converter lockup control. That's for more fun on the highway. Brakes nice and smooth. Everything about this car is smooth. Idles smooth, sounds great. Power steering, very smooth sounding engine. Let's get some throttle here. Sounds great, shifts great. Everything you want in a 55 Chevy. Speakers in the kick panels for extra audio sound. Take a look at all the pictures of this car and find out all the details at UniqueClassicCars.com.